Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here. Lieutenant report for Eddie in Georgia. That's Ranger RCI 69 base. Eddie, we got you fully modded out. Wideband transmit, wideband receive, tune alignment, Toshiba voltage regulator upgrades, all my audio mods, ultra bright white LEDs here. Also installed an amp keyer, actually times 2. If you look back there on your RCA jacks, it's labeled amp 1 and amp 2, so you can key an amplifier. It requires a key and pedal or something like that. Heath kits, Henrys, big boxes, you name it. Okay, let's just get right to it. Gonna turn the RF power all the way down. 50 watt slug. Get set at 1.5 watts. That way you have plenty of adjustability. 14 all the way up. Show you average power swing. Hello, hello, hello. 46 bird average. 100 watt slug in PEP. Hello, 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 hello. 98 PEP. All right, my friend, ready to head it down around Georgia. Appreciate it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum, bum.
Get your Truckerized tune today. Truckerized.